What if the real tension between Prince Harry and Meghan Markle isn't playing out in front of cameras, but quietly behind the scenes of a lifestyle brand? Because in recent weeks, a simple jar of jam has been pulled into a much bigger conversation, one that touches on reconciliation, reputation, and the delicate balance between personal independence and royal legacy. If you're fascinated by the untold stories of the British royal family, the decisions that shape the monarchy, and the complex dynamics behind the crown, then you absolutely need to be subscribed to Crown Desk. Hit that subscribe button now, because we're uncovering insights you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive in. To understand why this matters, we have to rewind. In March 2025, Meghan's Netflix series With Love, Meghan premiered. By early 2026, multiple reputable outlets reported there were no current plans for a third season. Around the same time, Meghan's lifestyle brand, As Ever, continued rolling out seasonal product drops, including preserves, chocolates, and Valentine's collections. Now, it's important to ground this in verified fact. King Charles's Highgrove shop has long sold preserves and other food products, with proceeds supporting the King's Foundation. That's publicly documented. Highgrove is not just a shop, it's part of a charitable ecosystem tied to the monarch's legacy. Meanwhile, As Ever has positioned itself as a premium lifestyle brand, and reporting from outlets like People confirmed that a technical glitch on the brand's website briefly revealed inventory figures, sparking online debate about stock levels and expansion plans. Then there was another key moment. On September 10, 2025, Prince Harry met privately with King Charles at Clarence House for tea, a meeting confirmed by Buckingham Palace and widely reported by Reuters and AP. For many observers, it was seen as a significant step in what has been described as a slow and complex reconciliation process. And this is where the narrative intensifies. Some reports and unnamed sources have suggested that expanding As Ever's jam line internationally, particularly into the UK market, could create uncomfortable optics given Highgrove's existing product range. It's crucial to emphasize there is no official confirmation of conflict, no public statement from the Sussexes or the palace indicating a dispute. But what many experts note is this: symbolism matters deeply within royal dynamics. Highgrove's food products fund a royal charity. As Ever is a private commercial venture. On paper, they are entirely separate entities. In headlines, however, they can be framed as competitors, and headlines shape public perception. Unverified reports have gone further, claiming Prince Harry has privately urged Meghan to reconsider aspects of the jam line to avoid potential tension. These claims rely entirely on anonymous sources and have not been confirmed by either party. Similarly, speculation about large unsold stockpiles, including claims involving Netflix offices, originates from tabloid reporting and remains unverified. At the same time, other outlets suggest the inventory revealed during the website glitch may reflect preparation for international expansion. Both interpretations exist. Neither has been supported by audited financial disclosures. So what are we really looking at? On one level, this is a story about business strategy and brand growth. On another, it's about image management at a sensitive moment in royal history. Prince Harry stepped back from royal duties in 2020, emphasizing financial independence. Meghan has repeatedly spoken about building something authentic and self-defined. Yet the monarchy remains an institution built on continuity, symbolism, and carefully curated optics. When commercial ventures overlap visually or culturally with royal heritage products, even unintentionally, it invites scrutiny. The deeper question isn't whether there's a jam war. There's no evidence of that. The question is whether two worlds, royal tradition and modern celebrity entrepreneurship, can coexist without friction when they share overlapping themes, markets, or narratives. Reconciliation between Harry and his father, if ongoing, would already be delicate. Business decisions, even ordinary ones, can take on outsized meaning in that context. And perhaps that's the real tension here, not jars on shelves, but optics in a family where symbolism carries generational weight. As we watch this unfold, one thing is clear. Verified facts show business activity on both sides, a confirmed private meeting between father and son, and media reports about Netflix programming decisions. Everything beyond that must be treated with caution, because in royal reporting, the loudest headlines are often the least substantiated. So the real question becomes this. Is this simply normal brand expansion meeting tabloid framing, or are we witnessing another subtle test in the evolving relationship between the Sussexes and the Crown? Let me know what you think. Do you believe business optics matter in reconciliation efforts, or is this being overinterpreted by the media? If you found this analysis balanced and informative, give this video a like. It helps more than you know. Turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into royal developments, and check out our latest investigation into the future of royal streaming partnerships. Join the conversation below. We read every comment.